What if I told you that there is a referral source that most mortgage loan officers don't know about that could be getting you one new loan, if not more, every single month? And this isn't talking about realtor referrals. This isn't talking about your friends, your family, your past clients. It's one that actually most loan officers have no idea about. And if you live close to a big city or even in a big city, you can really take advantage of this. And what that is an apartment locator. What's an apartment locator? They're actually licensed real estate agents that help people find apartments. So how does this help you as a mortgage loan officer in building that referral network? Like, what's in it for you? Well, let me go ahead and explain a little bit about what an apartment locator does and how it can be beneficial to you as a loan officer. So somebody's looking for an apartment, they're not yet ready or able to buy a home. So they go to an apartment locator, they talk about their criteria. That apartment locator helps them find an apartment. The apartment locator then continues to nurture that relationship, because at the end of that lease, one of two things almost always happen. One, they want a new apartment, or two, they're ready to buy a home. And the beauty with apartment locators is they have a lot more volume in terms of the amount of clients that they work with as opposed to realtors. An apartment locator can be working with like 5 times, if not more, amount of clients. And over the course of a year, 2 years, their time in the profession, they have a lot of people that they've built relationships for and helped. So at the end of that person's lease, that apartment locator is right there in front of them, because obviously they want to help them find another apartment. But if that person is ready to buy a home, they can be already there in front of them and be like, hey, I know a great person that can help you get qualified for exactly what you're looking for. Let me connect you. That right there is one of the easiest referrals ever, because they're being referred by somebody who's already helped them, that's been nurturing that relationship for a long time, and it's going to be an easy loan for you to close. Now on the flip side, if you have somebody that can't get approved for a loan and they need to rent for another year while they work on their finances, then you can refer that person to that apartment locator. And a lot of times they'll give you like a $50 Amazon gift card or something. It's nothing crazy, but it still just gives you a way to monetize the people that you can't get loans for, and just to build that relationship even further. So if you're a loan officer, then this is what you should do, and this is what we have our clients do. We work with mortgage loan officers to get them leads, and we have them do this just as an extra referral source to get even more leads. But look at some of the big cities that you're close to in your state and see if you can find any apartment locating brokerages. We've actually had loan officers build a referral partnership with the entire brokerage, so that brokerage then lets all of their agents know that, hey, if you have somebody that's wanting to buy, send them to this loan officer, here's their contact info. Or you can go about it and find individual apartment locators and build more of a personal relationship. When you talk to them, just let them know, like, hey, I know that you do a lot of work in helping people find apartments to rent, and you put a lot of effort in to build that relationship and nourish that lead even after they're moved in, because obviously you would want to help them find another apartment again. But sometimes, as you probably found, some of those people may want to start the home buying process, and I would love to be your go-to loan officer for those people at the end of their lease if they're not ready, if they're not wanting to rent another apartment, to be that first loan officer that you recommend to help them get started on their home buying process. Also, see if you can get a little kickback for sending them some referrals. Somebody that can't get approved for a loan, you send them to them to get an apartment, get a $50 Amazon gift card, get yourself something nice on Amazon. It'll be here the next day. Now, referrals are great, and they're definitely something you want to implement into your business, but at some point, if you really want to grow your pipeline and grow your business, then you want to start looking into direct marketing. We work with mortgage loan officers to get them 3 to 5 new loans in the next 90 days. If you want to see how we do that for the loan officers that we're working with, I've put a link in the description and in the comment that you can click on. It'll take you to a page. Just fill out a little bit of info. It's really short, and you can find out how we do that for loan officers. But in the meantime, if you want to check out some other marketing ideas, I highly suggest checking out this video where we talk about 3 of the best marketing ideas for loan officers. And until then, I will catch you later.